Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to set a big cheese mouse trap. Firstly, before setting the trap, remove any packaging or staples that may be holding the snap wire down. The staple is usually securing the snap wire to the wooden base. Carefully remove it so the snap wire can move freely. The best bait for a Victor mouse trap is a peanut butter because it sticks to the trigger, making it harder for mice to steal without setting off the trap. Pull back the snap wire and hold it in place with one hand while working with the lock bar. Position the lock bar by placing its end under the small hook on the trigger, then slowly release pressure from the snap wire. The snap wire should now be held in place by the lock bar, which can the baited trigger slightly lifted. Just a caution, if the lock bar slips, the trap will spring shut, so keep your fingers clear of the business end of the bait side, so it may take a few tries to get the trap to set properly. Place the trap along the walls and near foundations and hold the trap by the end of the red V logo, then position the trap with the baited end against the wall as mice prefer to follow edges. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.